Hi guys, so this is actually a sponsored video. Thank you for the Crafter6282 for sponsoring this video. Their shop has some really cool jewelry. I've actually made some of them in my videos. But they have bracelets, they have rings, and they're going to be adding paintings and drawings to their website soon, as well as Barbie clothes or smart doll clothes. So for this one, again, thank you to the crafters for sponsoring this video. So for this craft, they gave me a sneak peek at one of their new items coming soon is your own craft kit, where instead of maybe having to buy one of their products, they're going to show you how to make it and give you all the supplies in a cute little bag. So I actually have one of the bags upstairs that they gave me, but never mind that. Okay, so you might want to do this on a pencil or on one of those like rainbow loom holders that have like it's kind of like a football goal. Okay, so what you're gonna do, I'm just gonna use a pencil today because it can make your fingers purple if you do it for too long. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put one rubber band over a pencil 3 times. So like that. Then you're going to take 2 of your other colors and put them over that. And you can use your finger for this because it's not going to be very painful. And then you're going to just take those the one rubber band that was twisted 3 times, and flip it over your 2 colors. I'm using silver bands and black and white bands. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this side and you're just going to grab it and put it with the other side. Now you can use your hook, but I don't have one with me right now, so I am just going to put it onto a different pencil. And there is your first one. So you're going to repeat this step 5 times. Okay, so twist it 3 times, put 2 over. Sorry about the background noise. My brother, I told him that I would like him to be quiet, and he turned on his show as soon as I said that, so. But, yeah, he's watching Hobby Kids, so, yeah. Okay, so, just going, oh, my fingernails. Can't grab it. Goodness. Okay, oh, I almost had it. I just got that. I'm going to put it over and put it on our other pencil with the other one. Okay, so I got those and I've showed you how to do it twice. So now I will be back when I have all 5 on the pencil. Okay, so I just got all 5 of them on there. And now I'm going to just take my finger. You can use the like fancy rainbow loom, like sometimes they're yellow or blue and sometimes they're pink. Like it's kind of like look like a football stand, like it's like a Y actually, like a uppercase Y, kind of. So now I'm just gonna put these all onto my fingers. This step you might want to do a bit faster, because it can stop the blood from running. But normally I won't actually do it on my fingers, and I'll have like a hook to do it on. So just so you guys know, yes, okay, I messed up on one, so I have to redo it. Sometimes that happens, so yeah, it's okay. Ah! Oh no, it broke. Okay. So I'm just gonna quickly put them on because my finger is turning purple. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's turning purple. But don't worry, the crafters do not do this. Well, they might do it like one or twice, but they don't normally do this, okay? And then you're gonna take one band and have all of your like little like bands, and you're gonna take them and put them over like that. I'm trying to get to the best angle, but I can't really see since I'm not allowed to put my face in the camera anymore. Okay. Ooh, feels so good to get that off my finger. And it goes back to normal really fast, so it's okay. And then, since you have this with all of your little ones, now you're gonna take your other colored band, and I'm gonna put it over like that. I'm gonna take the bottom piece, flip them over, take the other side, and flip it over. Like that. So now you have like all these, and then you're gonna take one side, and you're gonna put it over like that. Hold on one sec. So that you have the one rubber band on your one finger, and then you're gonna take, here you have to be careful, you can mess up everything. You're gonna take this part, and you're going to just let it go like that. You're just gonna gently pull the other one. You don't want to pull it too hard because then it'll break. And then there you go. There you have it. Yeah, gorgeous. Now, flower ring. It can be a ring, or you can hook it onto a keychain. Like, instead of doing the, and you can always take the other side off. So, you can also just put it on a backpack. So, you take the other side, put it back on your finger, and then you can put these through your backpack and then do the last step, and then you'll have a backpack keychain. Well, thank you to the Crafter6282 for sponsoring this video. I will link their shop down below. Make sure to go get some of their products because I love them. I was actually filming a video for my student council and I wore their products. So that's how you know how much I love them. But yeah, you can use it as a ring or backpack keychain, and they're very cute. Well, until next time, bye!